Hi guys, it's the Macintosh Guide, and today we've got a very exciting unboxing to do. So, we've got a massive box. Can anybody guess what it is? Well, we are unboxing a iMac, and now this is going to be first for the channel. We haven't seen an iMac ever before. However, I have got ourselves a blue coloured iMac. It's an M1 model I was able to pick up of dirt cheap. Now supposedly this is 16 gigs of RAM and 2 terabytes of storage. So let's get straight into getting it out of the box and turning it on and just verifying that everything is how it is meant to be. So you're going to see my horrible ugly feet. However, what we should be seeing is an iMac. Now, it's packaged really well, if you guys can see right there. You can see how thin it is, you can see the feet sticking out. There's a keyboard in there as well, surprisingly, so that's quite nice. So let's try getting out the two polystyrene boxes. And let's try pulling the iMac out, as we have over here. And then what we see in here is we see a keyboard and we see the power cable. So what we're going to do is, let me show you the keyboard. I don't believe there's a mouse. Oh, there is a mouse. Okay, that's very interesting. So there is a blue Apple keyboard mouse, and there is a blue coloured Apple mouse as well with a lightning cable, so that's quite nice. And then we also have the power cable and the power brick. So what we're going to do is we're going to use my own keyboard and mouse, and we're going to set this iMac up and see how it functions. So as you can see, it is a blue iMac on display. Now if we turn the machine around, as you can see, it's very thin compared to what the older models used to be. And as you can tell, they've actually put like a cover on top and stuff, so we'll take care of that in a second. But if we bring the iMac a bit closer, you can see that there's 4 ports of USB-C, 2 Thunderbolt, 2 USB-C ports, and then obviously you've got your power plug through the middle, and then you have this gorgeous blue colour as well. So let me take the wrapping out and then we boot the iMac up and see where it is at. So how does the connection work? So obviously we've got a plug and we've got the power adapter. Now this has also got the Ethernet port in it as well, and it's very simple. All we have to do is get this end and screw it right into the iMac, and we just have to get the 3-pin connector, put it in here, and we are good to go. And then all we have to do is plug this into the wall and we are ready to turn it on. So let me plug this in and let's get started. I'm also using my mechanical keyboard and my Razer mouse, and those are both USB-A dongles. So the way I'm going to do is I'm going to use my USB-C adapter or dongle, whatever you want to call it, and I'm going to put that into the back of one of the USB-C ports. And that should hopefully work in terms of being able to use my keyboard and mouse. So everything's plugged in. There's the power button on the back. We've pressed it. we hear the loud chime. It'll be interesting to know what version of macOS this is running. My mechanical keyboard is working and my mouse has got green light and it is working too, so we're ready for business right here. So it seems to be running macOS Sonoma, and let's just go through setting this up. Well, it takes a bit of while. United Kingdom, yeah, preferred language, and I'll go through all of the setup and we shall see each other very soon. So we are now on the lovely screen of our lovely iMac, and if we look at the specs, we can see that it is a iMac 24-inch M1 2021. It has 16 gigs of RAM, and if we go into more info, we should be able to hopefully see 16 gigs of RAM and 2 terabytes of storage. That is a really good maxed out iMac as well. Guys, this is a really good find in my honest opinion. It looks so great. The display looks so crispy. It's a 4480 by 2520 display. It's very crisp. It's very sharp. It looks amazing. It has 14.5 installed on it right now. I will be installing the beta on this machine, so we're going to have Sequoia running on this. But guys, it runs great. It's like keyboard shortcuts, everything works as expected. So yeah, it is a very, very good and very fast machine for sure. But guys, that was my video of unboxing the iMac 2021 M1 model. If you enjoyed this video, guys, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.